Hello everyone, and welcome here on the Foxtech YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about iMessage on the iPad and how you can get it to sync properly, so let's get into it. First, let's talk about the requirements. To sync your iPhone messages to your iPad and other Apple devices, you need to make sure all your devices are running the latest version of iOS, which is iOS 14 or later. Also, you must be signed into iCloud with the same Apple ID on all your devices. This is crucial for the synchronization to work properly. On your iPhone, start by going to the Apple ID settings. Tap on your name at the top of the settings menu, then click on iCloud. Scroll down until you see messages and make sure Messages in the Cloud is turned on. This setting allows your messages to be stored in iCloud and synced across all your Apple devices. Next, go to Settings on your iPhone and tap on Messages. Then tap on Send and Receive. Here, you need to ensure that both your phone number and iCloud email address are checked. This step ensures that you can send and receive messages from both your phone number and your email address. After that, go back to the Messages settings and select Text Message Forwarding. In this menu, you will see a list of all your Apple devices. Enable the devices you want to sync your messages with. This allows text messages, including SMS and MMS, to be forwarded to these devices. Once everything is set up, you can start or resume text conversations on any synced device. Whether you're using your iPhone, iPad, or even a Mac, your messages will sync across all devices. This includes not just iMessages, the blue bubbles on, but also regular text messages, the green bubbles, as well as MMS messages like photos and other multimedia content. It's important to note that to send text messages, you need a carrier plan and a SIM card. This is necessary for sending SMS and MMS messages. However, for internet-based messaging without a carrier, you can use iMessage, which works over Wi-Fi or cellular data. By following these steps, you can ensure that all your messages are in sync across your Apple devices, making it easier to keep track of your conversations no matter which device you're using. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to Foxtech for more tech tips and tutorials. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you guys later.